Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are doing well at home. This is your math class. Now open your math book. So let's start month of August. Following topics will be covered in second week. Number 1, ordering number. Number 2, before, after and between numbers. Number 3, less than and greater than. Let's learn about the numbers which comes before, after and between. As we already done backward counting last week, let's recall it. 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73. Now tell me what comes before 77. Yes, the answer is 76. 76 comes before 77. Here is another example of backward counting. 480, 479, 478, 477, 476, 475, 474. As you can see, 3 blanks are given before 477. So now tell me what will come before 477? Okay, correct. It's 474, 475, 476. These number comes before 477. So now let's learn about after number. Here we count the numbers in forward direction. So now start forward counting. 580, 581, 582, 583, 584, 585 and 586. Now tell me which number comes after 582. Yes, 583, 584, 585. So here is another example of forward counting. So now tell me what comes after 805. Yes, now there will be 806, 807, 808. Now we are going to learn about the between number. So as you can see, some numbers are given below. Let's start. 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228. Now tell me what number comes in between 225 and 227. Yes, the answer will be 226. Now, as you can see, there is another example of between numbers. Let's start it. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So now tell me which number comes between 64 and 66. Correct. The answer will be 65. Okay students, let's order the given numbers. As you can see in this example, some numbers are missing. Now fill them. So let's start it. 261, 262. So what will come 262? Yes, there will be 263. Now 263 comes between 262 and 264. And then what comes after 264? Yes, 265, and then 266 will comes after 264. So there is one more example. What two numbers come before 477? Yes, there will be 475 and 476. And then what come after 477? Okay, right. There will be 478, then 479. That's how the number are placed in ordering form. Now do exercise 1 on page number 15. Write the missing number. One example has been done for your help. Now complete the remaining parts. Now do exercise 2 on page number 16. Write the missing numbers that comes before, after and between. So now tell me what comes before 342? Yes, 341. And what comes before 861? Yes, 860. Now what numbers come after 129? Yes, 130. And what number come after 634? Yes, correct. Then answer will be 635. Then here what number comes in between 553 and 555? The answer will be 554. And what comes before 799 and 801? Yes, there will be 800. And now complete the remaining part of it in exercise 2 on page number 16 in book. So now let's learn about the concept of less than and greater than. Here is a hungry crocodile. He has found two big numbers, that is 249 and 348. He wants to eat greater one. But which number is greater one? So first crocodile check the 100 columns. The top number has 2 in the 100 column and the bottom number has 3 in 100 column, and 3 is greater than 2. So crocodile eats a greater number, that is 348. The open mouth of crocodile shows a symbol of greater number. Now do exercise 1 on page number 17. Write greater or lesser symbol in the empty boxes. Complete the exercise in book. Now, crocodile is still hungry, and here crocodile finds two more numbers, that is 562 and 543. Both numbers have 5 in the hundreds column. So, crocodile, next check the tens column. The top number has 6 in the tens and the bottom number has 4 in the tens. So, 6 is greater than 4. That's why he eats 562. The open mouth of crocodile shows the symbol of greater sign and the end point towards the number shows the symbol of lesser sign. Now do exercise 2 on page number 18. Fill the symbol of greater and less than sign. Complete all the parts of this exercise. Now, greedy crocodile has found 2 more numbers and that are 386 and 389. Both numbers have 3 in 100 column. Both numbers have 8 in tens column. So crocodile next check the ones column. The top number has 6 in the ones and the bottom number has 9 in the ones. So 9 is greater than 6. That's why crocodile eats the greater number, that is 389. Now do exercise 3 on page number 19. Fill in the symbol of greater than and less than. Complete all the parts of this exercise in book. Now let's wind up our second week of syllabus of month of August. Take care. Allah Hafiz.